We are going on my birthday getaway trip. These cost $107. He was a bit disappointed because he thought that it was a beach view. Where is the beach in Parramatta that it would be ocean view? We woke up at around 6:30 for some stupid reason.
Down.
Yeah, they literally walked in, their whole family.
Oh!
And then also, guys, we went into Culture Kings there, but then we looked at the tag and then we thought, ooh. Aussie's food just got here.
You guys like our beer today?
This is Bilgola Beach. Just arrived at our Airbnb. Happy 30th to me, guys.
You better like this video. You better like this video.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so hot and sweaty. I don't know why I waited to do this last minute, but we are going on my birthday getaway trip. My birthday is actually in 2 weeks, but because of work, I took one for the team and I decided to take the week before my birthday off so that I could accommodate to everyone else's leave. Just because, you know, one of the downsides of being the boss, you got to consider everyone, because if I wasn't, I'll be scrambling for my leave. Anyways, I booked myself a beautiful getaway in Sydney. We couldn't go too far. We actually wanted to go to the GC, but because we have Bear, we had to think about a pet sitter and all of that and didn't want to go through that. So I just thought, you know what, let's just book local so we can take him with us and make memories with him too. My face is so red and so big, guys, because, you know, I'm not even going to make excuses. I have been eating whatever I want when I want, and also like my job as well. The first 6 months was quite stressful. I've got the hang of it now. So this year, like every other year, we're focusing on our health again. The reason why I am hot and sweaty is because I spent all morning cleaning the house. I like to come back to a clean house. I don't want to do anything when I get back. All I want to do is just relax. And so I washed the dishes, put them away, vacuumed the chair as well because of Bear's hair. I was packing my stuff. I didn't pack my stuff until this morning. I'm just tired. And then to top it off, I changed the bed sheets. Like, I'm doing a lot and I should have done this yesterday. I know, it's my own fault. So house is all clean. We're gonna take Bear's bed. Oh, let me put this back. I ended up having to buy a new rug because my dog peed on ours a couple of times. He doesn't potty in the house anymore. So I've put down all the blinds, obviously. The kitchen is nice and clean. And the chairs are nice and clean because they had a bit of Bear's hair on them. Even though he doesn't go on the chair, honestly, that's like the worst part of owning a dog is the hair that sheds. And Aussie and Bear just got back from a quick walk, just trying to tire him out, wear him out for the drive. I wanted to show you guys one of the gifts I got my nephew. Let me plug this talented lady real quick. She does these beautiful art pieces of art, Polynesian designs. I got this for my nephew Darnell for Christmas. It didn't arrive in time, but it just got here this week. It's like a Samoan word calendar, so every day you get to learn a new word. Also, look at my nails, guys, because each of these white painting things is classed as a feature. These are it. Was it worth the $100? Let me know. This is pretty cool, I thought, especially for my nephew, who is so proud to be Samoan and he's keen to learn the language. So I don't know, this was just a thoughtful gift. So we are at the 6. Let's learn it together. Is fa'a mole mole, which means please. So fa'a mole mole. Say it all together. Fa'a mole mole. This is her at. Oh yeah, Torslav. Get out of the way. You are about to endure a 3-hour car ride and I know you're not going to like it. Drive safe. Bye. Finally, we can go now, guys. I just picked up the charger wire from my sister because I left it in her car when we went to drop my parents off to Sydney because they're in Samoa at the moment, in case you guys didn't know. Of course you didn't know because I didn't tell you guys because I haven't vlogged. So my parents are in Samoa. Both Aussie and I were meant to go. Our flight was booked on the 26th of December and then we ended up cancelling it just because it didn't suit. It was so expensive to return. Couldn't justify spending $5,000 on flights. But then I go ahead and book this very expensive accommodation, so I don't know. I'm planning to go in June with my family, but Aussie's gonna stay back and go in December. Aussie, how rude of you, didn't even say good morning to everyone.
Morning, everyone.
Guys, we're still trying to get used to getting back into vlogging. I'm just so excited to be on leave, to go on a holiday. I just love holidays, honestly, and I think we should treat ourselves often. Like, we work so hard, like we're constantly working 5 days a week. You got to have time where you wind down. Like, I struggled a little justifying spending how much I spent, but then, like, I told my sisters and they were like, why do you feel bad about spending money on yourself? I'm like, yeah, if you put it like that, like, why? This guy just sitting here. So I can tell you I love you always.
This song is dedicated to all our future subscribers. Let's go.
Sibani vanua ekaraya ua toso maramai setaurave. Bear's like, shut the freaking up. So we've just stopped off here at the park, guys. We're just gonna let Bear stretch his legs, maybe do a little bit of his business before we head into our apartment, which is just up here. We also had to stop off at Campbelltown, South Pacific food place, and also a pet barn in Campbelltown because we forgot Bear's food. I'm gonna get out and stretch my legs as well, guys. Aussie was a bit disappointed because he thought that Parramatta had a beach and it was a beach view or something like that. I'm like, bruh. He's like, didn't you say it was an ocean view? I'm like, where is the beach in Parramatta that it would be ocean view? Guys, I don't know if I've already filmed this, but we're finally here now. That's outside. This is like such a great little nook. It's I booked a 2-bedroom apartment. So this is the room that we'll most likely be staying in, and I realized I didn't actually know that it has its own bathroom. And then you go this way. Okay guys, so we're about to step out. We did a little bit of relaxing, not really, just sat on our phones, watched some Samoan vlogs. Shout out to everyone in Samoa who is currently vlogging. You guys are keeping us occupied until we come and show you how it's done. I'm kidding.
So we miss Samoa. See you guys in Samoa. Dish here.
So baby, over here we've just barricaded the couch. One thing about me is when I was 16, couldn't pull and Good morning guys, it is the next day. We woke up at around 6:30 for some stupid reason. Aussie was up and then Bear got up and so I have been up, but I went to sleep last night at like 1:30, so I haven't had as much sleep as I'd like. What?
What's up everybody? Back with another day, another video, another new person, another new 2023. I don't know what we're gonna do today. I just woke up this morning, take Bear for a walk and for pee and poo. He's been finished eating and we're gonna ready.
Get off the
ready for the day, and these two
Get
still
off.
annoying me with moving the camera everywhere now.
Bear is honestly so annoying today.
Down. Yes. Sit there and stay there forever and ever. Amen.
It must be unusual for like some people or someone to see a dog on the bed. But he's an inside dog, so he's very clean, doesn't stink. Like, you know how most dogs have that stinky yeasty smell? He doesn't have that. He's a clean, good smelling dog, aren't you, baby? So we brought a few like kitchen stuff from home, as in like things to cook breakfast, because it is an apartment, so we wanted to make breakfast. And I brought porridge from Canberra, except I forgot sugar. What is wrong with my face right now? I feel like my lips and my eyes are so weird. So we're gonna go to the bumble and get some sugar, and so I'm gonna get up, have a shower, get ready for the day. So we are up now, about to go and finally get some sugar. Bebe is here, and I want to show you guys what he did to my shirt. Everyone says, oh, I want a dog, I want a dog. Well, listen, this is a side you don't see. What do you think about it, Georgie?
I think that's a good idea. Leave your shoes inside, so let the dog play with your shoes, you know? It's good for the dog.
Okay then. This place is so nice. I'm actually quite like so happy with it. Cannot wait to come back and stay here again and bring my parents, because like this is so something that they would love. They love holidays too. Like they've learnt to love it. My mum always has, but my dad like, you know, but now but now you cannot tell the toy to stay.
The toy always skin for everything now.
I do not know how I forgot to tell you guys about the story. So Aussie and I were just chilling out here on the couch, right? And I had ordered food because he picked up Samoan food on the way. And then we're just chilling out here on the couch. Aussie actually said it. He was like, oh, I can hear someone trying to punch in the code to their room. And it wasn't working. So little did we know it was the room to our door. It was room to our door. So I'm just sitting on the couch and then I literally hear someone open our door and I'm like, what the freak?
Walking in.
Yeah, they literally walked in, their whole family. And we were just like at a standstill, like looking at him, he's looking at us and we're like, And he stood there for a bit and then I got up and I was like, what are you doing here? And he was like, oh, sorry, like this is my room, kind of thing. So he wasn't rude or anything and we weren't rude, but it was just a bit of a shock. And I ended up calling the lady and was like, this man just walked through our door. And she was like, I don't know how. And I'm like, yeah, he had the code. Like he had the code to our door. How did he get it? And the man told me, the man who walked in was like, yeah, she sent it to me. Then she ended up admitting, because I kept pressing her, like, it's a breach of safety, a breach of privacy. How did he get the code to my door? Because then we don't feel safe staying here if the code's just, you know, publicized somewhere. And then she ended up admitting, saying like she accidentally sent him, because he was checking in as well today, she accidentally sent him my like check-in details. And I'm like, that's a big mistake to make. I didn't ask for compensation, which I usually would for that kind of stuff, but I mean, we're so happy with the place and she was able to fix it up, change the code. We made sure that the old code didn't work. So our dog is so spoiled, honestly. We treat him like a baby, but also he's so much more pleasant than a normal dog as well. I don't really know. So I got my oats, guys. I love porridge, honestly. My mum used to make a lot of porridge when we were younger, and I absolutely love it. Guys, bon appetit! Yummy, yummy. I'm about to put some mango in mine. Guys, we're about to eat now. I'm so excited. Yeah, so mana. Ngawi maya yolo wanganga le penina pele oya le mafai na ngalo atu omisia. It's so dark.
Fio ma fuortino penalo lowine ma waluma ye lofa so near mal nevo so for Yesu. Amen.
Amen. All clean now, guys. So we cleaned up, wiped the table, put the dishes in the dishwasher. I'm gonna run a load.
Then come to do some shopping before.
We had a little bit of a debacle trying to find the entrance to this.
Huh?
We ended up here where the shops were. So I guess shops meant like Aldi's and Woolies. But we want to go down to where the clothes and like actual clothes shopping is. Georgie, I just ordered myself an immunity booster juice. Not that I need to boost my immunity, although everyone does, but that's not the purpose. I actually got it because it's got orange and ginger and turmeric, which I really, really feel like. Guys, so I got my juice now.
Let's go. Now we're here at Culture Kings. We're gonna come to check out the Culture Kings. What's this cooking there? Come inside. Just gonna show you.
What are you talking about? This is your first time. What the heck? Wait, we can't keep walking around everywhere. We're gonna get beeped. Look at this. I love these hats. Raiders. They got such nice offers here. Guys, we are back in the car like 3-4 hours later because Parramatta Mall is so massive. Just walking from one end to the other is like so tiring. You really got to get like your sports shoes on and your gym clothes on. It's such a track. But we had to pay $15 in parking. Can you believe it? Georgie, what do you think about that? That's freaking expensive.
$15, man. That is so cheap.
Yeah, so no, I got some Havaianas because I just got a pair, right? I only had it for 1 week and Bear ate them. So I had to get another pair, or not even a week later, he ate them. I was so mad, but also bought me another pair again. And then also, guys, we went into Culture Kings because we don't have a Culture Kings in Canberra, and it was like so nice. Also, wanted so many things there, but then we look at the tag and then we thought, ooh,
So cheap.
And I said to Osiva,
And I say next time.
no, and I said to Osiva, look, ale mea umako kule rack. Na shiaki fuape fia ai la ko kulanga lokea. You know what? I love the idea of the beach, but man, it's tiring. Like the waves always hitting you. And then afterwards you have to walk on the sand and like trying to get a grip, and it just like you're sinking. It's the worst. So you're going to the beach.
Yeah, you're sinking and
because
sinking.
You're hot, and then by the time you're like back in your car, you're like literally sweating. You got sand in your ass. Just like the worst. I love the idea of the beach. I love the ocean view. When it comes to the actuality of it, when it comes to the reality of it,
you know, the nationality, personality, male sexuality. Yeah, o mea ngai mo mai yakako pea sandy ass kako. Oh, the sand is in your bum crack. Oh, make your ass feel clean. You know, make sure go put some one. Some sand in there and rub it together.
I'm just opening this so I can put it in the freezer. I'm going to test it out tonight. But basically you have to put it in the freezer until it's frozen. And then you put your drink in there, and then you just keep doing these ones. And then it turns to slushy. So stay tuned because I will be testing it out tonight. And I'm so excited. Also, I just wanted to give you an update. I didn't let the frozen magic slushy thing freeze long enough. It didn't work. So it's back in the freezer. It's been there for about an hour and a half. I'll try again when I come back, but we are heading out for dinner.
In the city.
Darling Harbour?
Yeah, Darling Harbour. Going there for dinner. And we enjoy the night, you know.
And also I told you guys that Bear chewed my Havaianas. Literally, I bought new ones today and he chewed them again.
Yeah.
Like it had been less than like, I don't know, 3-4 hours. And I was just sitting there watching TV, and then I looked down and this happened. What are you looking at?
Spoil too much oil, Pepe.
Guys, I really don't want to go to dinner with these shoes. It's still like intact, but the leather party thingy has come off. Bro, so Aussie's food just got here. Georgie, it's so big. They can't hear you though.
Guys, you see how big this food I'm eating tonight? Yeah. Yeah, lang makuay. Ay, may idea yung makuay pa. Koro sila, limas ko. Limas sila.
Sorry? Oh my gosh. Bread? Bread to eat with that. What the frick? Guys, my food just came and it's massive as well. It's the same size plate as Aussie's. Oh my gosh.
Maybe they have a small size and you still.
No, they didn't have a small size. They've only got, see, everyone's got the same. How's your food so far? Oh my gosh. The lamb is so freaking good, guys.
Even the beef.
The lamb is so good. Taste the lamb.
Look at the beef.
Oh, the ribs. We're just sharing on plates. So we just finished dinner, didn't we, Aussie? You guys would have seen, because we didn't take the camera, so the quality might be a little bit different, but it was so nice. Honestly, Frankie B's was so good. It was pretty expensive, but the portions are huge. Aussie did pretty good with his, although I should have shared Aussie's one with him. I don't think I needed to order my pasta thing because I couldn't finish it. But you know what? It was just like such a nice night, like honestly.
Yeah.
Such a beautiful night with my baby boy.
It is. Good celebration for my baby girl over here.
One and only.
Yeah, one and only. That's it. My bangi popo, my falai maukengi, my falai yeshi, whatever.
You guys, it was just such a nice night.
Yeah.
Like honestly, I really, really enjoyed it. And I mean, the bill was not okay, but well, you got to treat yourself every now and then. That's one thing that I learned.
Don't think about the bills after we eat.
That's one thing that I learned this week from.
Just enjoy your time.
My sisters reminded me, don't feel bad for spending money on yourself. We work so hard, like literally 5 days a week, full time. Aussie's bending his back, breaking his back.
Yeah.
You know, he like works really hard, a physical job. And I work hard mentally. You know, like office people do work hard too, guys. It's mentally draining sometimes. And I just thought, well, you know what? Let's treat ourselves, Georgie.
Yeah, treat ourselves.
So that's what we did. Also, you guys didn't see one of Aussie's gifts that I got him for Christmas.
Yeah.
Show them, baby. You know what it is. This is our last night in Paris, so we want to make use of our time here. So we are driving all the way to Darling Harbour. We're just driving around at the moment. This really confuses me every time we come to the city, just because it's so big and so many streets. We're just trying to look for the wharf at least, so that we could possibly wow, what is that? Why is it so shiny? It's like Broadway or something. This is another goat of Samoan music. Shout out to Isaac Bula. This song reminds me of my mom when they used to have their parties. Can touch a rebel in you. Yeah. And the rebel in you is gonna set us free. Alright guys, so we are back. This is Frozen. I'm so excited, guys. I need to do this for 3 minutes, just like, and then it'll start turning into a slushie. And there we have it, guys. It's pretty chunky. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so awesome. I love ice. I think it's my anemia, but I absolutely love ice, so this is perfect for me. So guys, finished breakfast. We've literally just been chilling about, trying to like tidy up a little bit to help them, which wasn't that much anyways, but checkout's at 10, so we like squeezed it to the very last minute. But we've enjoyed our stay here so much. We're definitely going to be back, and hopefully next time with my parents, and definitely going to go take them to Frankie B's, because my dad would love that platter that Aussie had last night.
We still have leftover.
Yeah, we do. Oh, we couldn't finish it.
It's like a massive big plate.
Yeah, if I'd known they were the
Doesn't feel like when
size.
you take a photo on your phone, but I'm telling you, it's like a big plate.
Yeah, well, if I'd known that was the size, I probably would have
Share with me.
yeah, shared with you or got you to order like something smaller. I just thought that maybe he could finish it. I thought it was gonna, for some reason, because you know, like, you know, those types of restaurants.
What?
My pasta,
Chicken,
yeah.
Chicken carbonara.
It was massive as well.
Massive,
but usually those types of restaurants, you'd think like their portions are really small. Usually, we're so excited to check into our new Airbnb. So we're gonna wrap up here.
You guys like our beer today?
I'm wearing it with a skirt. Aussie's wearing it with jeans. Obviously, you can't pair all the way Aussie unless you want to wear a skirt. I got a green skirt in my suitcase for you.
No.
Then stay there, babe.
We'll see you guys soon. Peace. Yeah.
Let's go. And the rebel in me can touch a rebel in you.
Oh.
And the rebel in you.
Yeah.
I don't know when the time that Isaac Kula wrote this song, whether he just discovered the word rebel, but there's a lot of rebel word in here. To Newport. I just punched in Newport Beach because it's not check-in time yet, so we're just trying to kill some time before we head to the house and meet them. But this place is so beautiful. Like, the houses here are so different. It's definitely got those beach vibes, like those beach holiday homes. Like, how nice is that? I reckon we're probably staying somewhere up there, up in those mountains somewhere, something like that, maybe, possibly. But I've never been to Newport before. Palm Beach, it's like at the tip of a little tail on the map, further up from Manly and DY and those places, Mona Vale. But we're just gonna go check out Newport Beach.
We're here, guys, in Newport Beach. This is Newport Beach. Very nice. Very, very nice. This is my first time here too. Wow.
I don't know what it is, guys. Like, I honestly love the idea of the beach. Like I said, it's just being like connected. I don't know, I just feel so at peace when I come to the beach. Just the scenery, it's just so beautiful. This is Bilgola Beach. Guys, we ended up coming down to the actual beach. So I was up at that lookout somewhere over there. And this is down here. This is so good. This is like literally right next to the...
swimming pool.
This is Bilgola Beach. And I'm pretty sure this is dog friendly as well. Yeah. Imagine that, after beach and then having to walk up those freaking stairs. No thanks, couldn't be me. Oh, Mom, you've called the whole family chat.
Huh?
You called the whole family chat.
Oi, e so ko video kula ya oi nga oi.
No.
Aro me fa.
We're just driving around normal. This is map.
Mai. Kama sa kama. E so ai fole a more resource.
Guys, so we just arrived at our Airbnb. It is honestly amazing, so possibly just to let them know. So let me give you a little tour, guys. So here we are down this area. Don't mind my huffy and puffy dog. He's just super excited to be here. barbecue, outdoor barbecue area. I don't know, table benchy thingy. This little pool, this little area is so amazing. Like, I just can't with the views. I literally just can't with the views. Happy 30th to me, guys. We just saw a lizard up there just before. There it is! You right, babe? Then you come up the stairs. There it is. Right there. Stop breathing so much, Bear. I could just get used to this. Easily get used to it. That's the little nook up there. I just love the detail. Yeah. I just love the detail in this place. It's just so beautiful. So this is the lounge area. That's the study nook up there. You can use this ladder. Look what they left for us. Kitchen, and then another little area here. It's amazing. And you can actually go out that door as well. And then this is the bathroom. The shower. Bidet. Okay guys, so that is our home the next 4 days. I'm so hot just walking up all those stairs. But like, this view is breathtaking. Like, honestly, I love it so much. And it smells so beautiful, like the essential oils. Aussie, what do you think?
Yeah, so nice. So beautiful here. Very nice, nice and relaxed. And you can see everyone there. Papakura.
Papakura. Papakura is all the way in New Zealand.
It's not Papakura. It's called Uelese Beach.
So we are eating our leftovers from last night's dinner. Pretty hungry, Georgie?
Hungry, hungry, hungry.
Here we go. So the man told us about the bird food, the lorikeets.
Yeah, look at the birds there.
And they're here for their daily dose. So Bear's gonna be terrified of them. Stay.
What you doing?
Oh, they're so friendly.
Yeah.
Huh? They're so friendly. Yeah, just a bit. That's enough, I think. Where's its mate?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here.
That's enough, baby. That's so cool.